Tricks Online Mathematics. We have a question on the board. The question says, given 126 in base x equals 86 in base 10, find x. So we have to find the base x. Solution. So the first thing to do is to convert this 126 to base 10. I'm going to use expanded form method. 126 in base x. So I'm going to use expanded form method. Now, using expanded form method, the first thing to do is to number these digits with values starting from 0, beginning from the last digit, 0, 1, 2. Then the next thing is to multiply each of these digits by the base x raised to their individual powers. That is 1 times x raised to power 2 plus 2 times x raised to power 1 plus 6 times x raised to power 0. So we have 1 times x raised to power 2 plus 2 times x plus 6 times 1, because x raised to power 0 is 1. Any base raised to power 0 is 1. So that is x squared plus 2x plus 6. So this is, we have converted this number to base 10, which gives us a quadratic expression. So let me equate it to 86. So I have x squared plus 2x plus 6 equal to 86. Since they now have the same base. Alright, now what's the next thing? I have to move this 86 to this side. I have x squared plus 2x plus 6 minus 86 equal to, here becomes 0, because since I've moved 86 to this side, nothing is at the other side of the equation again, so it's 0. So I have x squared plus 2x plus 6 x squared plus 2x, then plus 6 minus 86 will give us minus 80 equal to 0. Alright, so I'm going to solve this quadratic equation using any of the methods for solving quadratic equation. So I want to use formula method. So using formula method, to solve this quadratic equation in order to find the value of x. So we have x equal to minus b plus minus square root b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So I have x equal to, then my b is 2. Alright, so that is minus 2 plus minus square root. So we have 2 squared minus 4 bracket. My a is the coefficient of s squared, which is 1. Then my c is minus 8, which is a constant, over 2 bracket 1, since my a is 1. So I have x equal to minus 2 plus minus square root 4. Minus is plus. That's 2 raised to power 2 is 4. The minus is plus. Then 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 80 is 320 over 2 times 1, 2. So I have x equal to minus 2 plus minus square root. That gives me 324 over 2. So we have x equal to minus 2 plus minus. Now, what is the square root of 324? Now, for those of you that don't have calculator, you can find the square root this way. If you don't have calculator, 324. Let's get the square root of this. So what can divide 2? 2 divide 324 will give us what? 2 divide 3 is 1. Then the remainder 1. Bring the 1 in front of this 12. This 2 becomes 12. 2 divide 12 is 6. And 2 divide 4 is 2. So that gives us 162. That means 2 divide 3, 24 is 162. Then 2 divide again will give us 81. Then what can divide 3? So 3 divide 81 will give us what? 3 divided 8 is 2 remainder 2. Then bring the 2 remainder 2 in front of 1, it becomes 21. 2 divide 21 is 7, so that is 27. Then 3 can divide again. 3 divide is 9. 3 can divide again. 3 divide 3. 3 divide again is what? 1. So we now have 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. Then you group them with a pair of brackets. So take one from each pair of brackets. Take one number here, take one number here. So 2 times 3 is 6, 6 times 3 is 18. So that gives us 18. So that means the square root of 324 is 18. Then over 2, I have x equal to, then whenever you have something like this, a plus or minus b over c, it means a plus b over c or a minus b over c. That's what it means. Alright, now let me clean this. So we have 2 minus 2 plus 18 over 2 or minus 2 minus 18 over 2. So we have x equal to minus 2 plus 18 is 16 over 2 or minus 2 minus 18 is minus 20 over 2. Then we have x equal to 16 divided by 2. 16 divided by 2 is 8 or minus 20 divided by 2 is minus 10. Now, the answer cannot be a negative value. We can't have our answer as a negative value. Therefore, x is equal to, we are taking 8. So therefore, x is equal to 8. That means, actually, let's go back to the question. 126 in base 8 is equal to 86 in base 10. That's what it means. So meaning that if you convert this from base 8 to base 10 to give you 86. Let's check it out. Check. So we have 126 in base 8. Let's convert to base 10. It will give us 86. So we have 126 base 8. Now I'm using expanded form method by numbering the digits with values starting from 0, beginning from the last digit, 0, 1, 2. So I have 1 times 8 raised to power 2 plus 2 times 8 raised to power 1 plus 6 times 8 raised to power 0. So that gives us 1 times 8 raised to power 2 is 64 plus 2 times 8 raised to power 1 is 8 plus 6 times 8 raised to power 0 is 1. So that gives us 64 plus 2 times 8 is 16 plus 6. So 84 plus 16 plus 6 will give us 86 in base what? 10, because 64 plus 16, 4 plus 6 is 10, 0 carry 1, 6 plus 1 is 7 plus this one 8, then plus this 6 you have here will give you 86. So actually our answer for x is what? 8. Please, if you like what I've just done, do well to click the like button, share and comment. Bye bye.